Aprobado na sa ikalawa at huling pagbasa ng Senado ang proposed budget na nagkakahalaga na 6.352 trillion pesos para sa susunod na taon.
House Bill number 10800 is approved on third and final reading. Congratulations to our Finance Committee Chair, the Vice Chairpersons, and members.
Nakalusot ang nasabing panukalang batas sa pamamagitan ng 18 affirmative votes, 0 negative vote at isang abstain vote mula kay Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel. Matapos mag-abstain ni Pimentel ay agad naman niya itong ipinaliwanag.
I abstained from voting on the 2025 General Appropriations Act or Bill for the second and third readings, respectively, because learning from last year's experience, I have adopted a wait-and-see attitude, which I believe is the more prudent approach, Mr. President. Of course, this is in addition to my continuing objection to a very unnecessary presidential certification for a bill which we process every year and on a specified period of the year, Mr. President. However, I join the President in his expectation that all agencies should ensure that every centavo allocated will be judiciously spent on urgent priorities and socially impactful programs.
Samantala, bagamat nakalusot na ang nasabing pondo sa Senado, ay pag-uusapan pa sa Bicameral Conference Committee ang gagawin sa controversial funds ng Office of the Vice President at maging sa ayuda sa Kapos ang Kita program. Umaasa naman ng ilang senador na mas magiging bukas, inklusibo at transparent ang budget bicam process upang maiwasan ang gulatan at kontrobersiya sa mga last-minute insertion. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Ann Cortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.